The onslaught against the Igbo properties and interests continues unabated in Lagos. Every now and then, every day, a new story comes out on this space. From one demolition to the other, many properties are down right there in Lagos State and also some parts of the country outside the Igbo land. I will tell you this, that ever since this onslaught started happening, these demolitions and destructions of Igbo properties, the real estate business, the real estate industry in the South region and also the Southeast has risen up to 250%. Good news. Akurulo, Akurulo, Akurulo remains the slogan of the Igbo man today. Whatever it is that you are building in Lagos or any other part of the country that is not Igbo land remains at risk. It remains at risk because policies can be formed tomorrow just to take that away from you, and there's nothing you can do because we don't have the political power to change anything. Yeah, it is the sad truth. Igbos have no political power to influence any policies that are against them, against their interests. It is the sad truth. So what am I trying to achieve by this video? Is to remind you that there's no place like home. There's no place like home. You must come home. You must bring back your investments, be it industries, be it real estate, be it housing, anything that has to do with infrastructures. Bring it home. You can try here. It is the truth. And that is why we are bringing you a good news message from Pine Leaf Estates. Pine Leaf Estates are trusted. They have been tested and they are trusted to be the only real estate company that has the interest of Ndigo at heart. Let me shock you. Are you aware that Pine Leaf also have businesses, real estates in Lagos? What happened? They shut it down. They shut it down in Lagos State because they have noticed that it is only Ndigo, especially the Easterners, that are purchasing these properties. But in order to drive home the Akurulo, they shut down sales in Lagos and opened their real estate businesses in Delta States, Anambra States, Imo States, Abia States, and Enugu. This is a good news for every person of interest. If you have the Akurulo mindset in you, definitely you will realize that Pine Leaf Estates is the surest for you because they have everything that you need, ranging from cheap lands, low-cost lands, to lands of choice places. So all I can ask you is to contact the number that you are seeing on your screen. It remains Pine Leaf, the only real estate company that has the interest of Ndigo at heart. Thank you and God bless you. I remain your own Chukwemeka, the Unified Igbos Now proponent.